Okay, thanks for joining me. Here's some push hands footage with me and a previous training partner, Nathan, who also trains Tai Chi. He trains under Jim Beyer uh, in Milwaukee through Heaven Man Earth. Nathan also has previous karate experience. His dad teaches karate um, in Winona, Minnesota. And we're going through some push hands patterns. We're using swing arms. It's a great set. Um, from the stance, like you immediately dress, the wide base, and it's easy to feel the base and the connection to the ground, and uprooting. The pattern utilizes especially the so we get on and then the pluck, split. And there's an elbow. So I'm gonna rewind it, and we'll go through the kind of what's going on. So here we see basically what you're seeing is like it's actually the tendons that roll the opponent's fascia to get access to their structure and their fascia at the same time. And this is kind of one of the advantages of Tai Chi, is that by doing the form correctly and learning how to release your fascia, unknot it, untie it, unbind it, you have a profoundly greater access by feeling Tingjin to your opponent's fascia. And a lot of this is also rebounding and elastic force principles. Okay. So here, kind of uprooting, a little bit of rollback. What you should be looking at and looking for are the waves of power that rip through the tendons. Okay. Here is an on-jin from top down. A lot of timing work here. There's through the arm, kind of like a spear. There's a Fair Lady works shuttles. It has a go. So